Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get gold gear in Archero 2. To get gold equipment in Archero 2, you'll first need an epic rarity weapon or gear. For example, if you want the Amulet of Decisiveness to become gold, head over to the Blacksmith and Blacksmith menu, select the non-gold equipment and fuse it with another item of the same type, in this case, a necklace. Once you complete the fusion, your epic gear upgrades to gold, gaining enhanced stats, visual flair, and a noticeable boost in a combat performance. This process works for other epic items as well, like the heroic longbow or echo helmet. Remember, fusing multiple items increases your chances of reaching higher enhancement levels, so plan your materials wisely. Gold equipment is a great way to strengthen your character, and if you're aiming even higher, S tier gear can be obtained from chests or by further fusion. That's a straightforward method to turn your epic gear into powerful gold equipment in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.